Good morning, Master Doris Borisuerta. My name is Galo Conteron. In this video could he use the Arduino to make some live effects similar to the fantastic car light in an LED. The longest LED anode is possible and the shorter LED is negative cathode. The materials that it uses are a board, an Arduino UNO board, cable for Arduino, 10 red or any other color LED, 150 ohms resistor, and a exchange to get add to the project. We place the first LED white, the negative LED connects to the negative of the breadboard and the possible of the LED towards a free point. We do the sun white all the LEDs in some breadboard this side of the negative, while this side of negative are separate use in this case. How we launch the simple code to see the effect of the live. Do not forget that before loading the code evening on the Arduino must be well configured. We launch the code. How we connect a cable to the negative of the breadboard. On the end of the cable we connect the GND to the negative or ground of the breadboard. There we can see the schematic and make the code for the Arduino. We connect the USB cable to the Arduino to the computer. We connect another cable. We connect another cable to the second resistor and the other side to digital contact number 3 and so on until we reach contact number 11 on the Arduino. We connect the first cable to the end of the first resistor and the other side of the cable we connect the number 2 digital contact of the Arduino. Now we will place the resistor to 8 LED. Now we put the Arduino in this part and connect cable from the resistor to the digital contact of the Arduino. As we see, there is no union to join it. We will simply use a male jumper cable. We place two cables in any hole on this side and the end on each side. On the breadboard, the negative is white, a blue line, and a minus sync. We let's start mounting the circle.